Welcome to our family room. For quite some time now, we've needed a side table in between these two couches, and I'm finally getting to it. So I found some plans on the Anna White website, and that's what we will be building today. I cut 8 pieces of 2x4s, 22 1/2 inches long. I put 2 pocket holes in 4 boards on both sides. I attached the boards with wood glue and 2.5 inch pocket hole screws. Then I repeated for the second leg. Using the 2x2s, I cut 4 pieces 16 inches long. I drilled 2 pocket holes on both sides of each 4 boards. I attached the 2x2s to the side ends using wood glue and 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. Using the 1x12, I cut the shelf to fit exact. I drilled pocket hole screws in the shelf to help hold it to the side table. I flipped the table over and used 2x4s to help hold the shelf in place while I secured it with 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. I sanded down the entire table. I marked where each cross brace should go on each side and cut them. I sanded them before putting them in. Since the cross braces are just for looks, I attached them with 2-inch nails. I marked the next 2 cross braces and cut them. I attached these in place with 2-inch nails. I sanded down all rough edges. Using the 2x6s, I cut 5 boards 25 inches long. I had my husband run these 5 boards through the table saw to take off half a saw blade on each side except for the 2 outside pieces, just so they would fit together nicely. I drilled 2 pocket hole screws in the 4 outside boards. Using wood glue and 2.5 inch pocket hole screws, I attached the tabletop together. Using 2-inch screws, I attached the tabletop to the frame. I sanded down the project one last time. I used Minwax English Chestnut to stain the whole project. I applied 2 coats of polyurethane and sanded with 800 grit sandpaper after each coat. Strictly for looks, I attached 4 metal braces to all 4 sides. Also for looks, I drilled holes and attached metal bolts to all 4 sides. I took 2 of the black leg bolts and cut them in half. I drilled a hole in the X brace and glued the cut leg bolt into place. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe below.